Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again. You can see we're at the old Reno Arch, which is right next to the Harrah's National Automotive Museum, which is a huge automotive museum. They got a lot of neat, rare, one-of-a-kind cars in there. And we're standing on one of the bridges here for the Truckee River. I've been riding up the Reno bike trail here. It goes from just about 4 miles on the other side of town here, heading towards the California-Nevada state line, all the way into the town of Sparks. And I think it goes a little further than that, but I really haven't tried it yet. But as you can see, I'm riding the... almost fell off the curb there. Riding the electric bike, and I've done a few little modifications. I put one of the batteries up here in the basket. Don't really have it mounted too well yet. And then I have the second battery back here. And I originally had both the batteries back here, but it was wheeling really bad when you would just barely lift up on the front of the bike. I could just lift it up with one finger and it would wheelie back on me, so I had to change the weight on it. Ideally, I want to put the weight down here. That way the center of gravity is a lot lower, and it'll make the ride a little bit better. Right now, when you go around a corner, it kind of tries to throw you to the ground a little bit if you lean the bike too hard. But another upgrade I did is, instead of the rubber bands on the other side here for the tensioner, I put an actual spring on it, and the spring seems to be working pretty good. I mounted my rear light, which I'm just going to turn on now because it's starting to get dark, and mounted my front light up here, which I'll turn on right now too because it's starting to get dark. But I think I'm going to take a little ride up into downtown Reno here, a little further into downtown Reno. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. There's a really neat park up there. And to the right here is the Calneva, and then you have Harrah's. And if I turn looking towards up the river towards Sparks, you can see the Reno Aces ballpark. And just enjoying a nice ride while the weather's only in the 80s this evening. But I'm going to get back to it. Just wanted to give you a quick update. We have more stuff to come on this bike. I need to get the freewheel on the back here and get all the other stuff taken care of on it so we can actually have the pedals working and the drive system for the electric motor working. Well, that's all I got for today. Until next time, build stuff and have fun.